Hey, I'm back. Now I'm at my property here in beautiful Palos Verdes. Well, it's not my property, it's my client's property, but we're doing a full remodel here. I want to share with you this house. I want to go through a little tour. Let's go inside and check it out. So we're walking in, we got a kitchen. Man, look at this bird. This is a royal bird right here. I'm gonna save that bird. No, we're not, we're definitely demoing that out. Check this out over here. This is the laundry room. We're gonna carve this out. This is gonna be the new living room. In here, we're gonna put a new wall. Right there, it's gonna be a mud room. That goes to the garage. This goes to the backyard. This goes to a bonus room. Look at all that. Look at all that wallpaper. Wallpaper. Look at that. Holy moly. Whew. It's gonna be something else. Yeah, you know, just make a mess because contractors make a mess, but we clean it up. So this is the bonus room up here. This is above the garage. Really cool chimney. Man, this house has not been touched. This is like a time capsule. Little bathroom. Shower set up there. Can't think of anything down in here. It's pretty good. And no one's taken a shower in there in about 20 years. Let's go downstairs. It's kind of, that could be its own little master suite up there. So that's the front door. That's the entrance. Living room. Look at that view outside. Pretty cool. So this is that wall that we're gonna knock down. We're also gonna try and knock down this one. See how that goes. We're going back into the kitchen here. That's the bird. Built-in, Sub-Zero, man, 1960s. You ever wonder how long these things last? Good time. Most amazing bathrooms. It is a time capsule. Look at that faucet. Look at that faucet right here. Got some stuff on there. Cool. Big old tub. This is the shower. Looks like you're in a closet in here. Boom, it gets real dark. I'm gonna blow that out. Blow that whole thing out. Bedroom. Let's go to the flower room. Flower room, check this out. It's very yellow, very yellow. I'm gonna put out some new closets for them. Things are crazy big. Takes up a ton of space. Wallpaper everywhere. Let me blow that out. Notice the outlets have no ground. Whoops. Notice the outlets have no ground. See that? You only have two prongs. And 2 prongs, you need 3. So you can get some ground in there. Got Julio in here. That's right, folks. These walls are pink. Got Julio measuring. Marble. Kind of a pink marble. Stained almost. Master. Lots of wallpaper. Man, when you're moving wallpaper, that jacks up the walls. Big time, big time. Hey, so let's go outside. Let's go look at the pool room. So we're back outside. I'm gonna put my glasses on, holy moly. Back outside, let's go down to the pool room. Let me show you what. Big old deck. Great for entertaining. Those are the bathrooms. And here, this is the pool house. We're gonna make this into an ADU, an auxiliary dwelling unit, folks. That's what this is gonna be. We're gonna carve out kind of living room here, dining room over there, kitchen. We're gonna punch a hole out through here to get to the bedroom. It's gonna be tip top. I'm gonna give you a wide shot. Pretty cool, nice landscaping. All right, guys, what do you guys think of this place? What do you think of our ADU? You think we're gonna have a hard time being able to convert this thing? You gotta sell it to the city. Gotta convince them, let us turn this into an ADU. What do you think below? What are your thoughts about this? We'll be posting our progress pictures and our drawings. See ya.